Hey friends, welcome to a beautiful day here in Colorado. It is early spring, and so the temperatures are still a little bit cold. Right now we're in kind of the low 50s, which means it's a perfect time to wear this new fit by Club Ride. I'm wearing the Daniel flannel. It's a little bit of a heavier flannel, perfect for these early spring rides. And then the Fat Jack pants. And these things are super comfortable, super stretchy. It's perfect for riding these conditions. So we're gonna go and ride some of our favorite local trails while you check out this gear. Okay, let's take a closer look at our Fat Jack pants. First of all, really love this kind of slate blue color. There's tons of colors to actually choose from. They've done a really good job of picking color palettes that actually look really stylish and pair well with their other clothing. So you're gonna get a ton of different storage options. We have side pockets here that zip up and down, get enough to stick a cell phone in, wallet. Plus you have your normal pockets up here, which you can store. Again, remember those do not have zippers though. So be careful potentially on longer rides. If you're doing all sorts of aggressive movements, you don't want things spilling out of those pockets. Got the zipper pockets on both sides. We have a really nice subtle logo down here on the side of the leg. And then we have these square panels that allow for enormous amounts of stretch while they're on your upper thighs. So again, these are made to really have a lot of that movement. Going all the way down here to the cuff, you can see, again, we have some stretchable panels. These are slightly baggy on the bottom on both sides. I really do like a nice tapering down at the bottom so I don't get things in my chain ring or anything like that. But again, because these are so durable, it really does offer a whole lot of versatility, especially getting these over boots and things like that if you're riding in colder conditions. Here's a closer look at the back. Again, nothing super special. We do have a nice zipper pocket up here at the top of the paneling. Again, we have a nice belt loops, things like that you can use to make these tighter. This is a size large. Again, I trend towards a 34, and these really worked well for me. Now, a couple of quick things about the material. You can see it's red light reflective. The high performance fabrics are quick drying and they have a ton of stretch. Again, this is why these make for perfect mountain biking pants. Now, these are also water resistant. You can see it repels water, mud, and dirt off of the fabric to lengthen the life. So this is, again, really important if you're riding on those muddier days or like what we're doing on these spring shoulder season days where things can get muddy. So let's take a closer look at the Daniel flannel, which by the way is so comfortable, not just for riding mountain bikes, but also just for being out and around town after your ride. So basically this is a size large. I'm 190 pounds and roughly 6 foot, and this fits me really great. It's a touch baggy, but again, it's very comfortable. If you're around my size, you want something that's a little more form-fitting, a little tight, I would go with the medium. These also have this really nice little snap buttons. They go all the way up and down. Again, it makes snapping in and out of the flannel nice and easy, as well as taking it off. We also have 2 little button snap pockets on either breast. And then as you can see, we've got a little Club Ride logo up there, as well as down here on the lower side of the flannel. You'll also notice some moisture wicking material around the collar. So nice just for collecting sweat and everything like that and keeping it where it should be, as well as some of that material over here underneath the armpits. Here's what the back of the flannel looks like. Again, one of the main features to take note of is this little zipper pocket. You can stick a cell phone back there, a wallet. It's big enough for, again, your goodies, your keys, things like that, to keep them safe while you are riding. One of the other fun things you'll find on the front of the shirt is this little glass wipe for your sunglasses, your glasses, which again comes in really handy if you just need something to clean those lenses. So I have mine in this forest green color. I really love this color, but there's tons of different colors to choose from. You can check all those out on Amazon. There you go, friends. That is the Daniel flannel and the Fat Jack pant by Club Ride. Go check them out right here on Amazon. If this video has helped, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned because we make a ton of these bike review, tutorial, DIY type videos to help make your ride just a little bit better. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you on the next one.